Hello everyone, how are you? Let's jump into calendar. Echo me, the month is December. I know that today is December 16th. We are inching closer to the holidays. Let's fill in. Oh, I never changed this. Uh-oh. Well, I can leave December as the 12th. I'm going to change this to say the 16th, so it's December 16th, and then I'm going to do the same down here. Problem solved. December 16th, 2020. I know that today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. I'm going to watch a movie tomorrow. I hope. Fingers crossed it works. Yesterday we had been at school 52 days. 52 plus one more is 53. We have been in school 53 days so far this year. Let's do 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53. Do something different today. All right, make sure you know these words. Work. Month. Own. Ben. Word. None. All right, 972. At the ones place, we have a 2. Is 2 even or is 2 odd? 2 is even, so 972 is an even number. Alright, let's put it here, 972, 973, 974. Let's go backwards. 974, 973, 972, 971. 970. Uh-oh, what do we do now? 969. All right, our number is 784. 784. Go to your hundreds and take 100 away, and you have 684. Go to your hundreds place and add one more, and you will have 884. All right, here are two numbers, 471, 229. I know that 471 is greater than 229.